Is this the future of American performance? The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is here, and it's turning heads, breaking records, and redefining what it means to drive a supercar. Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the car that might just be the pinnacle of Corvette evolution. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Corvette blends cutting-edge aerodynamics with unmistakable Corvette DNA. Up front, the aggressive splitter and redesigned LED headlights scream performance. The mid-engine layout remains, but the rear gets a fresh take with quad exhausts integrated into a sharper diffuser design. Chevrolet went bold with new colors like Lunar Blaze Metallic and carbon fiber accents. And those wheels? 21-inch forged alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot sport tires. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering that also looks like it's ready to attack the track. Step inside, and the 2026 Corvette feels like a fighter jet for the road. The cockpit wraps around you with premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum trims. The seats are all new, offering supreme comfort for daily drives and unparalleled support for track days. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, is Chevrolet's 5.5-liter LT7 V8. This naturally aspirated beast churns out 700 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60, a mind-bending 2.7 seconds. Top speed, 212 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The new magnetic ride suspension and advanced aerodynamics make it stick to the pavement like glue. And for the eco-conscious, there's even a hybrid option delivering similar thrills with improved efficiency. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a car. It's a statement, a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and innovation that reminds the world why the Corvette is an icon. But the question is, does it live up to its legendary name? Let us know what you think in the comments. Is the 2026 Corvette your dream car? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic car reviews. Until next time, keep chasing your driving dreams.